The easiest way to refill a gas lighter is to buy gas from in Jumbo and to refill with it the gas lighters.
Okay, here we have 3 gas lighter. This one is from Lidl and it is full empty. Yeah, this one is I don't know from where, from Butane maybe, and is half full. And this one is more than full, more than half. Yeah, okay, let's refill them all.
I want to say something. This gas lighter can make like this.
Yeah, it's very convenient if you want to burn
It's
something.
a dinosaur.
Yeah,
Toots, 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 toots.
to not broke it. Okay. Let's refill our gas lighters with this gas balloon. Okay, let's start.
Let's first to refill this one from Lidl. It's very interesting thing.
No, let's refill this one first because we will show how it feels to full. It will be better.
And we will show you how it will be with fire.
Yeah, okay. We must shake it, shake it.
Shaky, shaky.
Yeah, and put it like this. And, yeah. It starts to be filled. No, maybe this way.
Yeah. How to make cappuccino?
It's full and very cold now. You will show some ice here.
Yeah. Really ice.
Because the pressure from the balloon
And here's the ice.
and here's the ice. Because the in balloon it's in this high pressure. And pressure decreased, it's starting to cold. Like in refrigerator.
Let's see how it will be with fire. Oh,
Yeah, very big fire.
Olympic fire.
Greek fire.
Okay, let's refill next one. Like this. Refill this one. This one is empty. Almost empty. I will show you this. Don't have any fire.
And
One,
gas.
1, 2, 3.
Drink, baby, drink.
Maybe it's full.
I
Let's,
see some ice. Can I... what?
no, it doesn't look. Maybe it's broken. No, we have some ice. A little. Maybe something like plus is here.
Maybe something broken.
Yeah,
Эконом.
we can compare. Okay, safety first.
Yeah.
And last one is this,
From Papantonio.
from Papantonio. How can we refill it?
Like the purple.
Like 1, 2, 3.
I think this is from Alpha Mega and this is from Papantonio.
Yeah.
Filling with supermarket jumpers.
And now it's almost full. Yeah, it's full now. Yeah? Here, cold here.
Yeah.
You see it.
Let's see what gas lighter will have the bigger fire.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mine doesn't have any fire at all.
Whee!
Mine is bigger than yours.
No, no.